Hey there, Vinny from Project Frugal. We've got a wasp problem out the front of the house. We're going to have to deal with it. We're going to use this. No Wasps Eliminator. Nice. Check it out. Hello Zippy, how's it going? So here's the culprit here. If we have a look in here, we'll see some wasps flying in down there. You can see where they're going in. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to zap them. We did some research before we embarked on this amazing adventure out in the front yard killing wasps. $16, that's all it cost us for the No Wasps Kiwicare, I might add. Kiwicare brand. No, we're not sponsored by Kiwicare. If Kiwicare are listening and you want to sponsor us, go right ahead, we'll be interested. Anyway, $16, we looked at some online pest control services, looking at $90 plus GST all the way up to $200 to eliminate the nest. Let's do it ourselves for $16 instead.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Hello. In you come. We're going to get the wasps. You need to be inside. Alright, here we go. Any activity.
The next day.
Hey Zippy. And here we go one day later. I did just see one little wasp going in there, but I haven't seen any other activity of any wasps flying around. Have a closer look. There's the hole in there. Not a lot of action happening there. So maybe just one more puff should finish them all off. And there we have it. Despite the fact we had one or two stragglers, could have been the same one every time, who knows, maybe flying back to the nest, I don't know, but another couple of puffs back in the nest will eliminate that little wasp. That's about all the time we've got for in this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope you've learnt something. Do it yourself rather than pay someone. Sorry, pest controllers. We'll catch you in the next video. See you later.